Hello everyone, let's make cake together. Base. This is strawberry flavor. This is also strawberry flavor. Wow. Looking super yummy. Anyone wants a strawberry cake? It's look super delicious. Ice cream, ice cream. Who wants ice cream? This is cute ice cream parlor. Sweet, sweet ice cream. Me. I want ice cream. I want pink ice cream, strawberry flavor with cone. This is your ice cream. It's super yummy. Strawberry cone ice cream. Yellow ice cream. Green ice cream. Pink strawberry ice cream. Orange ice cream. Strawberry ice cream.